Hackers are no longer just targeting your email. They're moving into Microsoft Teams, slipping in with malicious files and links. We'll break down how attackers are getting in, what's changing, and what your business can do to stay secure as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider here at Rocket IT, and this is Sync Up, your home for the latest tech news. You know, at first glance, it's pretty odd to hear that hackers are making their way into Teams, because isn't it supposed to be a secure place for your coworkers? Well, not always. Teams is designed for collaboration, which means outside vendors, contractors, and clients can all be added. Some businesses lock this feature down so outsiders can't send a message without approval, but many leave it open to make things easier. That's exactly what hackers are exploiting. By setting up domains that look legitimate and impersonating trusted partners, they send messages that blend right in with normal conversations. These often contain links to fake websites or files disguised as invoices and updates. To counter this, Microsoft is building new protections into Teams. Soon, Teams will automatically block high-risk file types like executables that are often used to spread malware. And if someone shares a suspicious link in a chat or channel, Teams will scan it and warn users before they click. Additionally, Microsoft is updating Teams so it integrates with Microsoft Defender for Office 365, which is Microsoft's built-in security guard for email, documents, and now chat. With this integration, administrators can block entire domains, remove risky conversations automatically, and stop outsiders from joining meetings or calls. Microsoft has stated they aim to have all of these features available globally by the end of September. With over 320 million people using Teams each month, attackers see a huge opportunity. The more businesses rely on it to communicate, the more tempting it becomes as a target. That's why Microsoft is doubling down on Team security and why organizations need to be ready. As these new protections roll out, remember, Microsoft Teams is only as secure as the way it's set up. With the right IT partner, your environment can be configured to manage outside access safely, block suspicious messages, and keep attackers from ever reaching your chat. If you don't already have a partner making that happen, Rocket IT is here to help. Reach out using the link in this video's description. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.